Hello and welcome to one more Tech Tip Tuesday video. My name is Swapnil, Technical Support Specialist at Get Micro Solution. Today we will see a couple of settings through which we can save our drafting time. The standard drawing process is select the plane, sketch. It will automatically do normal to for the first plane. Now let's select this profile you want to create. Once the shape is achieved, select dimension. So this is the standard process. Let's exit this. Now let's say you want to create a second profile on top plane. So select top plane, sketch, but this time it will not do normal to. You have to press Ctrl 8 or use spacebar for the view orientation and select normal to. Under the options, system options, under the sketch, there is an option called auto rotate view normal to sketch plane on sketch creation and sketch editing. Select this on. And second option is last one, enable on-screen numeric input on entity creation and select this create dimension only when value is entered. So I have selected option number 1, option number 2 and sub option over here. Click OK. Let's create a part now. Select the plane, start sketch, select rectangular. This time you will see dimension next to your block here. Without selecting anywhere, simply add dimension 50, enter 100 and you will see dimension is already added and your profile is fully defined. Click OK, exit sketch. Now let's say you want to create one more sketch on top plane, so right click, sketch, and it will automatically do normal to for you. So by selecting these options you can save your time. Thank you and see you on next Tech Tip Tuesday video.